Epiphyllum Guatemalesense, also known as the orchid cactus, is a species of epiphytic cactus native to Central America and Mexico. It was first discovered by European botanists in the mid-19th century and has since become a popular ornamental plant due to its large, showy flowers and unique growth habit. Epiphyllum Guatemalesense has long, flat stems that can grow up to several meters in length. The stems are segmented and are usually pale green in color. The plant produces large, funnel-shaped flowers that can be up to 25 centimeters in diameter. The flowers are typically pink or purple in color, and they bloom in the late spring or early summer. Orchid cactus is an epiphytic plant, which means that it grows on the surface of other plants or structures rather than in soil. It prefers bright, indirect sunlight and a well-draining soil mix that is rich in organic matter. The plant is tolerant of a wide range of temperatures, but it prefers warm, humid conditions and should be watered regularly during the growing season, but care should be taken not to overwater the plant, as this can lead to root rot. Orchid cactus is a great companion plant for other epiphytic cacti and succulents, as well as tropical plants such as bromeliads and orchids. It can also be grown in a hanging basket or on a trellis with other trailing plants. Orchid cactus is primarily grown as an ornamental plant due to its beautiful flowers and unique growth habit. It is often used as a houseplant or as an outdoor plant in warmer climates. The plant is also used in traditional medicine in some parts of Central America and Mexico, what is believed to have a variety of healing properties.